Hello guys, today we make dry fruit jam. For this recipe I will use the fruit that I already used for the Himalayan wine, following the recipe of Leo. Thank you Leo for the recipe, but you can do it also if you don't make the wine. For this recipe we will use 200 g of dry apricot, 250 g of dry fig, 500 g of raisin, plus 750 ml of wine, red wine, the wine that you like it, or you can find in your country, and a piece of zest of lemon. We put everything on the fire and we stir until it becomes a very spectacular jam, perfect to eat together with our homemade cheese. After 1 hour our jam is ready. Now we off the fire and we put directly in the jar, still very hot. After that the jam will be cold. We'll make a kind of vacuum inside the jar, so your jam closed like this will last forever. When you open it you can store in the fridge. Now I put in the jar for the tasting. See you when my cheese is ready. Like I promised, I will test my jam with the homemade cheese, the Italico, because this with the cheese is spectacular. Really, really, really spectacular. It's really perfect with the cheese. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. Here on the channel you can find the recipe for the homemade cheese and also the recipe for the kiwi wine that I will test now with the cheese that you will see in the video of the Italico cheese. Bye bye!